Nifty indicators, it's easy to make money. Before we start, let me wish you a very happy Gudi Padwa and Ugadi, whatever we are celebrating. Wish you the happy New Year, the Shobhanam Samvatsar and the Shalivan Shaka 1945 be very, very prosperous and peaceful for you. May you be blessed with health, wealth, peace and prosperity. Looking at the market is making it very clear, as they say, market is climbing by stairs and coming down by lift. So whenever it's coming down, it's coming with a gusto, and when it's going up, it's going very, very slowly and steadily. But it's going up all the same. Market has gone up for the second day today. So tomorrow is the weekly expiry. Let us prepare for the expiry tomorrow. This is the important indicators for Nifty 50 index for past 1 month. If you see, the negativity is slowly reducing and positivity is increasing. We can see a bit of green here, red is reducing, so much better. This is the Bank Nifty indicator for past 1 month. Same thing, the greenery is slowly increasing and red is reducing. So it's a little positive till we see some serious red. So we need to be careful. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry. We need to be extra cautious. We need to use the levels very, very carefully. This is the first page of the levels, pivot points, support and resistance levels for all Nifty 50 stocks for tomorrow. This is the first page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, Divi's Laboratory to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance, and this is the last page, SBI Life to Wipro. And Nifty and Bank Nifty are included. Take care. Before I say goodbye, please don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Take care and goodbye.